When a person falls in love, they can sometimes lose their objectivity about the relationship. They may even ignore negative things that they suspect or have discovered about the person they love, especially if they've already made wedding plans. Look out for the following danger signs if you plan to get married soon. Your awareness may help you avoid a marriage filled with pain, shame, and disappointment. Danger sign number 1, objection to premarital counseling. Most Christians understand the importance of seeking godly counsel when making important decisions, especially decisions that could have lifelong implications. And marriage should be considered a decision with lifelong implications. So if you are a committed believer and you're making plans to marry a person who refuses to go through Bible-based premarital counseling, this is a definite danger sign that you should not ignore. This danger sign could spell trouble soon after the wedding, especially if your spouse persists in doing things that conflict with biblical principles. Disrespect for biblical principles can trigger recurring problems when making important decisions about your marriage, your money, and other serious issues that impact your family.